Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to animate in Adobe After Effects. So now open your Adobe After Effects and start a new project, and after that just follow these simple steps. Now I'm just going to start a new composition so I can show you how to animate. Basically, to animate you will need some layers. Layers mean all the objects that you are going to input here. It can be an image, sound, it can be also a video or a GIF, or all these objects can be an object. So now I'm just going to add like a small solid so we can start and add some. Let's just have it here 100 and 100 square, and just click OK, and now we have this little shape that we will start doing animation on it. Basically we have this object that we want to animate. To animate we want to expand its transformation options or settings, so we can add them here as and animate them, so we change them within the time. So I'm going to transform, click on it, expand it, and here you will find the anchor point, position, scale, rotation, the opacity. So basically to start animating, that means we will start changing some of these settings or all these settings within the time we need to add them as animation. So let's vary the time on them. So for example, let's start with the position. So I'm going to click on the timer, and as you can see now we have this keyframe symbol. Now that means in this time we want to have this position, and in this second we want our shape to go to this position, and as you can see this is the path of our animation. And after that I want, for example, in this moment to have to start scaling. So when I will go to this moment I want it to go this way, and I want it to change a little bit its scales, and then it will go again up and go back with scales. So now I want to start rotating it from this moment. So I'm going to click here, and I want it from that moment to just, let's just go back. I want it just to start rotating for a little bit, so it will have like a 120 rotations, and then I want it to go down and go back in rotations, so it will just become 0 and etc. So now let's review our animation. As I told you, first position and now scaling and position and scaling, now position and scaling and rotation while it is moving here, and then it will go back in the rotation and stops. And basically those are the main things of the animation. So you have always an option or a setting, and then you just vary it within the time. Also you can add like some effects, so it depends on the effects. It can concern like a text, it can concern like an audio. As you can see there are some audio effects, etc. And basically you will just have for example, let's just have a random effects, and you will just drag it to your object, and you will have the effects panel. And also as you can see they have timers, so you can vary these settings within the time, and with as a result of all this you will create an animation. So basically this is how you animate in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.